Hey guys, so we're going to do some colouring today. I'm going to try and pick an animal I think might be colourful. Parrot. I think parrots are usually pretty colourful. This is painting by numbers, so I'm not going to claim to be amazing at picking the colours. I'm going by what the book tells me. I'm using these colouring pens, Bright Ideas. Pretty nice colouring set, very vibrant colours. So to get started you have to line up the colours in those circles to the colours you have. Each one of those circles is numbered and then you just follow the numbers in the colouring book. I'm not going to claim the colours matched up exactly, they didn't, but I did my best. I will speed it up a little bit once I get going. It was actually surprisingly tough to actually get the colours to match up, but I did my best. I'll speed it up a little bit now. Off we go. You'll see at the start I didn't really press down hard enough when I was colouring. You can't really see that colour very well. And as well as shading, or the shadow of my hand is kind of getting in the way. I did realise after a few minutes I wasn't pressing down hard enough, so I thought I had to up my game a bit. As we go along we do speed up. This took probably 2 hours, I'd say, in real time. And this will take about 9 or 10 minutes, speed it up. Doing those bigger parts of the feather was a lot more fun, if I'm honest, than doing those small parts around the head. So we're getting to the last third, I suppose, of the parrot. This bit was the most fun. One big purple bit. I was getting kind of tired by this point though, can't lie. Hard to stay in the lines. These small sections were quite fiddly. I must say I was kind of surprised when the numbers told me to put brown in that section. But hey, I have to follow the numbers. So very nearly finished now. Just the last few sections. Again, this took about 2 hours to do in real time. And this video has been about 10 minutes. I was pretty happy when it was done. And now just for one last section. Here we go, finished.